Alright everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I last filmed something beauty and makeup related. I don't know, I just feel like going there with my face. Anyways, some parts of the world are celebrating Halloween. I myself am not a big advocate of that, but in the spirit of trick or treating, I decided to put in a last minute Halloween costume. I don't know. Since my hair is now green. Actually, it's very faded at this point, but it was once bright green. I decided to go with a modern Instagram model-ish kind of buttercup. You know, that girl from Powerpuff Girl. Anyways, enough babbling. So I think I'm gonna start first with the eyes just because it's going to be a more colorful eye look than usual. And I'm gonna bust out this palette from Beauty Glaze. It's the Color Fusion Beauty Glaze palette. And this time around, we're gonna tackle the greens in here. Wish me luck. Green is not my favorite color to wear on my eyes, but today we'll make it work. I'm gonna start with taking my concealer from Maybelline. It's the Age Rewind Concealer. And I'm gonna use that to prime my eyelids. Like so. Actually, the challenge of this look is for me to finish it under an hour because one of the reasons why I haven't had time to film makeup stuff or tutorials is because I am juggling part-time jobs while waiting for my thesis request to be processed, and so far I've been loving it. And well, money is money, you know. I'm gonna take this kind of brush and then I'm just gonna take a little bit of face powder to set that concealer on my eyelids. Oh, and by the way, I have like new bangs. It's a curtain type of bangs and I've never had good bangs before. Like, one of my gripes of having wavy / curly hair is the fact that I can't wear bangs. I honestly don't know what to do, but I guess I'm gonna start with this green. So, I think it's a true yellow green, and I'm gonna pack that on the inner corner of my eyes. I'm gonna use a packing motion rather than a sweeping motion to really deposit that color down. Still using the same brush, I'm gonna take this color right here, kind of like a fossil army green, and run that on the center part. Oh, even the greens here are really pigmented. Props to them. Thank you so much for the support that you've given me in my last video. Thank you for our new subscribers who joined this channel because of my cover. Let me know if you've enjoyed that, and I plan to do more covers in the future. And I will try my best to make it like good quality in terms of the music and the sound. I recorded that using the earphones of my cell phone unit, and well, it's not that bad, but it's not professional recording level. But anyways, I'm still happy with the reception I got from YouTube and from Facebook. And thank you so much to those of you who joined because of that. And sometimes I'm just gonna interchange the content of this channel because, you know, it's ever evolving and ever changing. Anyways, I don't see a black here in my palette, so I'm just gonna grab another one. So I have this Echo Squad palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Anderon with this tiny crease brush and place that on the outer area, kind kind of like a V shape, like so. So I'm gonna start with the wing, then sweeping it inwards. Wow, this one's pigmented. To those of you who are wondering, the man, or like the counterpart of that duet, is Clark Mantilla. Clark on stage and Clark in studio here in YouTube, and thanks to him, I got to create a very, very lovely duet. Anyhow, I'm just going back over the first few shades we've laid down, just so we don't lose the intensity, and at the same time blending it together. So you create something like this, and I'm just gonna replicate that on the other side of my eye. And then with whatever's left on this brush, I'm just gonna run that along my lower lash line carefully. Perfect. Okay, now we can move on to the rest of the face. First, I'm just gonna take a foundation. This is from Ever Belena. It's the All Day Liquid Foundation. This one is in the shade Oriental. I've been loving this foundation, and it provides great coverage while still looking like skin, and it's very, very affordable. A densely packed brush, and stamp it on your face like so, rather than sweep it. Stamp it first and buff like that. Taking my concealer again, and I'm gonna highlight the inner parts of my eyes, because that's where the discoloration normally is, and brighten that area up. It's the Unbelievable Brow L'Oreal Brow Gel, and no, this is not the brush that I want to use. This is the brush that I want to use, and then actually this gel is very, very pigmented, so a little bit of this goes a long, long way, and it will last you a lifetime. See? So pigmented. And one dot like that covers your entire brow. And then we're gonna layer tons and tons of mascara. You know I'm not the false lashes girl, so if you want to wear this with false lashes, you do you. But for me, mascara is more than enough. I don't know, I have a hard time putting on false lashes and a hard time wearing them. They're so uncomfortable. Props to girls out there who wear false lashes every day. I don't know how you do it, but girl, you deserve an award. So I chose this one from L'Oreal because it's in the shade Blackest Black, and it's volumizing, gives you a bit of length too, and makes your lashes look very fluttery. It's been a long time since I last wore makeup this heavy, so I'm not used to it anymore. So I'm just gonna take a contour powder and chisel my face structure. But I'm gonna squeeze my contour brush as per usual and put some on the sides of my nose. For the blush, I'm gonna use this one, but this is very pigmented, so just one top will do. And I'm gonna place it here, just above that contour. For our highlight, golden champagne color will do, or any champagne highlighter. If you are fair-skinned, you may use a white-based highlighter. But since I have morena or medium skin, a golden champagne highlighter looks best with my complexion. It's all about enhancing your physical features, guys. So if an icy highlighter won't work for you, don't box yourself into that role or image or norm. Like Buttercup. Be free. And I think we're down to the last part, which is the lips. Now, we all know Buttercup is very funky, and gothic even. So, pull out your darkest lipstick. If I had black lipstick, I would do that, but I don't. So this is the next best thing. It's from Revlon. It's incidentally called Black Cherry. So, close enough. Awesome! So that completes our Buttercup inspired makeup tutorial for Halloween. And I hope I will see you in my next video. Peace out! Happy Halloween!